Hey Craig, here at Sweet Discrete. Lovely signage, by the way.
Yeah, thank you.
I couldn't help but notice these rather delightfully, are these kind of full recreations of original panels?
They're totally authentic replicas of the original overlay that would have been on a Matrix 12 and an expander. We were lucky enough to get hold of this. This is an actual original unfitted panel.
Right.
But as you can see, it goes dull, it goes grey, and it scratches and marks. These are exact replicas that are handmade, and they're actually made from full silk screening and lacquer as well, just like the originals were. Wow. So they are direct. We're licensed by Oberheim and Sequential for the use of the logos and everything. So, and we also do the membranes. So the membranes are all things for like KX88. We do this one, which is what we call the son of KX88, which is if you put a DX7 and a KX88 in a room with a bit of Barry White, that's what would come out. It's literally that synth together. A K3 and a PPG look, because we can do custom as well. But one of the main things we do, apart from being a recording studio, is we do the full case restorations. Right. So this is an example. This is just a pearl black metallic, and Beautiful. It's had all the silk screening done in the gold, which matches the KX88. I've got a customer at the moment that's interested in a DX5 in this colour with a DX7 together in the black and gold, and I think that looks stunning.
It's a rarity to find anybody getting excited about DX7 cases. Yeah.
But
I'm glad it is, because I think it's a
spend an hour just touching them and feeling them for imperfections so we can restore them correctly. So
do you provide the membrane switches or just the membrane?
No, it's just the membrane panel. If you can see, that's what a DX7 would look like naked, and this is a panel, but it's all like silk screen and painted from inside. So it will literally go on, and then you'd press it to go through to the buttons underneath.
Right. Okay.
So yeah, it's a complete labour of love. But
so you restore the livery rather than the mechanics. Is that right?
We do. Yeah, we don't do the mechanics. We've got our own mechanic for our own synth stuff, and we sell and buy synths as well. So he's busy enough to do that, to be fair. But this is a completely different ball game, because it seems to be that there's a lot of people doing the insides and not a lot of people doing the outsides. But thankfully we've got customers all around the world, which
you were saying before we started that
Australia, Singapore, Japan, lots in Europe as well, and even Brazil, and everywhere. Well, because they've all got these synths around the world, and they all need some sort of love.
Yeah, so we've got the Casios, got the Junos, the JX8.
The one thing I do say is, if it was there originally, then I'm doing it. I'm not doing overlays to put on top of a synth panel, because that just looks, it's a sticker on top of your synth. I don't do that. I either do it totally original, strip back to bare metal, chemically treat the metal and repaint it originally or custom, or I do these. So we do it for the Matrix 12, the whole case. So the whole case you do, and you would have a new membrane fitted to your metal case, and it'll be all redone in the exact colours, and all the artwork on the back, where it says, your MIDI ins and outs and everything, just like that in a way. That sort of thing.
So the whole.
So we can do anything you want, really, but the insides we leave to the experts, like synth professor Kent Spong and things like that. So.
Right. Yeah. Oh, fantastic! Is this the first time you've been up to the show?
It is. Yeah, it's the first time. It's an awareness journey. It's gone fantastic, to be fair, and we're chuffed. Yeah. We've got a lot of people that are collectors here as well.
I can see people buying this kind of stuff and sticking it on their tables, and buying things just to have the panel. I can't afford the synth; they'll have the panel.
Yeah, we're learning still, because next year when we come back, hopefully we'll be coming a little bit better organised. But we're also thinking of bringing out our own synth. So there could be a synth that you might even review on your show. So it's a bit secret at the moment, but it's going to be something of a corker.
I won't tell anyone.
Yeah.
Thanks so much. Lovely to talk to you. Okay. Where do people find about your stuff?
www.sweetdiscrete.co.uk. Discrete spelt in the electronic form rather than the secret form.
Thank you very much.
Smashing, thank you.